Yeah, g'day everyone. How you doing? It's Chriso. What I'm doing here is, it's a little bit too small an area for my squeegee, so you use whatever you can just to get the grout in there. Bit fiddly, but hey, we've got a very happy customer, and that's what it's all about. There's a few things I wouldn't have, and this is one of them, but it grows on you, and well, let's just say it's not quite my taste, but it's all good. It's better than being plain. There's a fair bit of water squeezing out from a sponge. So I'm glad I'll be siliconing it tomorrow, because it'll all be too wet today. A lot of people have a different background, a different tile in the back of their niche. I was going to do a nice big one. You know, that's what the owners wanted as well. But it didn't work out because there's electrical cables and everything behind. There's a switchboard, all sorts. It didn't work. So we just go to the next best thing, and that's 4 smaller ones. Get rid of that. It's all good. All good. Yeah, so tomorrow morning I'll finish off the silicone. I'll do the silicone and then I'll fit that vanity. And a few other things. So hold on to your hat, people. There's a bit to learn. How not to stuff it up drilling your holes in the wrong place. No. That is something that when you're drilling holes for your vanity, that's something you'd always double measure. And cut once. Nice bit of slope on all these bottoms for the water. DIYs. Nice bit of slope on that seat. There's a 10mm slope on that seat there, because it's going to get a lot of water on it from the shower. So you can never give it too much, especially a seat, because it's a bigger area. Okay, I'll just give that a little bit more of a wipe just to finish it off. I'll do that in a sec. We'll see you, everyone. Stay cool. I'll be back. This is just the beginning. We'll see you soon.